Our first program is write a program in Python to print the series of first 10 natural number using for loop. Open Python software. Click at option file, choose option new file, type the program code here. For I in range 1, 11 colon. Print I. Now save your program. Now click at option run and choose option run module. See, the series of first 10 natural number is printed in your computer screen in vertical order. If you want to print your output in horizontal order, use code and equal to single quote in print statement. Now click at option run module. Now your output will be printed in horizontal order. Now our second program is write a program in Python to print even numbers between 1 to 20 using for loop. Open Python software. We have to print the even numbers between 1 to 20 and we know first even number is 2. Now click at option run module. See, the even number between 1 to 20 is printed in your computer screen in horizontal order. If you want to print the output in vertical order, remove and equal to single quote from code. See, now your output is printed in vertical order. Our third program is write a program in Python to print the sum of first 10 natural number using for loop. To print the sum of first 10 natural number using for loop, take a variable s equal to 0. All the value of variable I will be added in a variable s and print. Now click at option run and choose option run module. See, the series of first 10 natural number is printed in your screen. Also, the sum of first 10 natural number is printed in your screen. Now our next program is write a program in Python to print the sum of even numbers between 1 to 20 using for loop. Open Python software. First even number is 2. So our starting value will be 2 and we have to stop the loop in 22 and we have to give the increment of 2. Now click at option run and choose option run module. See, the series of even numbers between 1 to 20 along with the sum of even numbers between 1 to 20 is printed in your computer screen. Thank you. Have a nice day.